If you're looking to secure immediate equity at the point of purchase on your buy-to-let, you need to understand that buying through Rightmove isn't going to give you that opportunity because that is retail price. Today, I'm revealing two fundamental truths about how you can still secure below market value deals in the current market and how to get inherent value at the point of purchase rather than just focus on discounted prices. If you're new here, welcome. My name's James. I'm the co-founder and managing director of a property investment agency called Freighter Property Partners, but this channel is ultimately all about your education. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, but let's get into it. In recent years, everyone seems to be focused on below market value. And I completely understand the reason. If you can secure equity at the point of purchase, it makes it a lot easier to scale your portfolio over time. But what actually is below market value, and can you get it in the current market? The market value of a property is essentially what someone is willing to pay for a property in the current market. If you're willing to pay £100,000 for a property, then that property's market value is £100,000. Just because you're getting a discount on the property doesn't necessarily mean that you're securing a property below market value. If that property offers a 10% discount and no one is taking the property at market price, then the true market value of that property is the discounted price, not the original asking price. This doesn't mean that below market value isn't a thing. There's still opportunities to secure properties at below market value pricing, but these deals aren't on things like Zoopla and Rightmove. They're secured by professionals before you even get a look in on these platforms. So what actually is securing a deal below market value? For me, I define that as securing a property at a price lower than what an independent surveyor will go and value that property at. So for example, if an independent surveyor will go out and value that property at £250,000 and you secured it at 230k, you've got genuine equity at the point of purchase of £20,000. This doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to access this equity immediately. It essentially makes your life easier if you're looking to scale a portfolio through refinancing the properties you're purchasing, because you've got the immediate equity at the point of purchase plus any growth during the time in which you own the property. Obviously, as the buyer, you need to make sure and be confident that you're genuinely buying it below market value. Just because it's cheaper than the house next door doesn't necessarily mean that is true. You need to look at genuine comparables where the square foot is similar and you're looking at similar finishes. So just because your property is 10 or 15 grand cheaper than the one next door, is that because that needs loads of work? Or is it genuinely very similar to the property and you're just getting it at a good time? The reason I'm saying this is you could go to a property developer or buy a property off an estate agent and it will look like you're getting a below market value pricing just because the house next door is worth £30,000 more. But if the house next door is bigger or has an extension on the property, you're actually not getting below market value, you're just getting the current value of that property. To get true below market value deals, you need three non-negotiables: speed, certainty, and unique access. Because as I mentioned, these deals aren't going to be on things like Rightmove or Zoopla. So here are the two routes that actually bypass the retail market where you might have an opportunity to secure a below market value deal. The first way to do this is purchasing from motivated sellers that need a fast sale. This isn't necessarily about finding the most distressed seller that's absolutely desperate to sell a property. It's all about you bringing the speed and the certainty that they can rely on. Essentially, you're getting this below market value pricing because you're offering the seller something that no one else will. So to do this, you'll need proof of funds ready, access to specialised solicitors that can move really fast, and obviously not be in a chain. The problem with this is you're probably going to have to be a cash buyer to get these types of deals because it takes time to organise a mortgage and the seller isn't going to give you this discount and then wait around for you to organise a mortgage that could take 2 or 3 months. Not only this, it also takes time and energy to find these types of deals, which is extremely time consuming and takes a lot of effort. So if you're focusing on your day job or your business, then the chances are these type of deals probably aren't right for you. The second way to get genuine below market value deals are direct to developer opportunities. The way we help our clients secure genuine discounts and below market value properties direct from developer is essentially securing at scale. We use the collective purchasing power of our clients to negotiate a discount because we're securing at scale, and we pass that discount onto our clients. So our clients make immediate equity at the point of purchase. They can use things like mortgages because it's not so important to move super quickly at this stage, and the developer can make a number of sales in a very short space of time, which makes their life a lot easier in the short term. The two secrets to this are genuine relationships and bringing serious volume to the table. This way you'll get genuine discounts from the developer because it actually helps them out with what they're doing as well. The problem with this is it takes years to build those relationships and that network in order to secure these deals, and you need to be confident that you can work to the scale in order to get the attractive discounts that you're looking for. The good news is you don't have to do this. We've already done it for you. We secure deals at scale and allow our clients to secure immediate equity at the point of purchase and get into genuine below market value deals. Remember though, just because you can buy below market value doesn't necessarily mean you should. Whatever you purchase needs to be in line with your overall strategy, and you need to make sure it's working towards your long-term goals. There's no point going to a distressed seller and offering to buy in cash if you want to be a hands-off property investor, because ultimately you're going to have to be extremely hands-on for quite a short space of time. And vice versa, if you're looking to do flips and project-based property investment, there's no point going for a slightly more hands-off strategy direct to developer through a company like us. And to be honest, that's actually it. These are the two real strategies that you can use to get genuine below market value deals and secure equity at the point of purchase for a buy-to-let. The difficulty is they often require time and energy that you might not have as a busy professional or a business owner. You've got to remember, immediate equity isn't free. You're getting it as compensation for three things: certainty, speed, and specialization. If your time is worth more than £100 to £200 an hour, spending 100 hours on trying to build this network to invest in property just isn't a smart investment. And that's why we built our direct deal model. It gives time-short professionals and business owners the opportunity to secure genuine below market value deals without having to build this network of people and spend hours and hours finding the right deals. So if you're looking to get good quality hands-off buy-to-let deals with immediate equity at the point of purchase, then I'll put a link to our website, Freighter Property Partners, in the description, and you can organise a call with one of the team. And just so you know, on this call, we're not going to sell you a deal. We'll talk you through the exact process on how we secure these opportunities. We'll discuss whether they're actually right for you and what you're trying to do within property. And if they are, we can then get you onboarded to see our future deals moving forward. As a business, we really believe in transparency, and we only work with people that we can genuinely help. And if that's not you, either myself or one of the team will tell you that and point you in the right direction that will help you achieve your long-term goals, whatever they may be. But I hope you've enjoyed the video and understand that if you are looking for immediate equity at the point of purchase, then there are a couple of ways that you can achieve that. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.